In the previous part, we have seen that private hospitals are so expensive. For each and everything, poor have to pay a lot of money. So that why this is the reason that poor people cannot afford the private hospitals. And if they are interested to go, if they have any serious disease, so they have to visit private hospitals for better curement, for better and fast treatment. So for this, they have to sell their land. Either they have to take the money, borrow the money from anyone else. And one more natural phenomena is there. You can say it is found in our society that poor people often fall ill. What is the reason behind it? Why? Because the poor people don't have the necessary thing, whatever the people need, whatever the human need. Suppose they don't have pure drinking water, clean drinking water. They don't have clean environment, and they don't have adequate food also. So these are the reasons to fall ill repeatedly for the poor person. Next heading in what can be done. What can be done to stop these all the things? So health situation in most of the people, health situation of most of the people in India is not good. Is not good. So it is responsibility of the government to provide better healthcare facilities, better healthcare services to all the citizens, especially poor. Health is depend on basic amenities and surrounding area, pure drinking water, and clean drinking water, and as well as social condition. So it is responsibility of the government to work on both the thing. Both the thing means that healthcare facilities and basic amenities. Now our next heading is Kerala experience. In this chapter we will see that how the Kerala state, what Kerala state has done for the betterment of health and education in the state. In 1996, Kerala state government provided 40% of the budget to the panchayat. And if the panchayat will get 40% of the budget, so they will do for the betterment of the people of the area. So they did a lot of things for the betterment with this 40% of the budget. Like they did planning to provide to the people safe and clean drinking water, for the education, and women development of Anganwadi, and development of healthcare system, healthcare centers, and many more. After this great achievement, they had some problem also. As being located in India, some of the problems are common in all the states. So Kerala also faced some of the problem, like shortage of medicines, shortage of hospital bed, and crisis of doctors, availability of qualified and good doctors. And our next heading and last heading is Costa Rican government. Costa Rican approach. What the government did in Costa Rica. Costa Rica is a country which is located in North America. So before going to the last topic, I would request you that if you get information by this video, so like the video, and if you want next video automatically on your YouTube, then subscribe the channel. So Costa Rica is located in North America. Costa Rica is considered one of the healthiest country in North America. And what a reason? Some reasons will be there. So reason is they did some amendment, some changing in the constitution. And what was that major change? And the change was that to have no army. And that main major change was to have no army. If there will be no army, there will be no much expenditure. The money will be saved, money will be stored, and that money they will use on the people's health. The money which is saved, that money will be used for the development of the people, to develop the education of the people, to develop the health system of the people, and other basic amenities like providing safe and pure drinking water and sanitation, to clean to clean the environment, and to provide the houses. Due to these all reasons, Costa Rica, this country became the healthiest country in the North America. So we should also cooperate to the government to clean our area, to maintain cleanliness and hygieneness in our area. We have seen many of the people throw the garbage outside, throw the garbage on the others people door, on the door of other people. They throw skin of the vegetables, apples, the bananas, and many other fruits. These are not good things. We should maintain our environment. We should clean, and government should provide better health facilities, pure drinking water, clean drinking water, and with the combination of government and the people, when everything will be okay, we will be free from diseases. We will live happy life. By this, we came to end of the chapter. Thank you.